Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Thanks for joining me. Today I have an unboxing of the July 2026 Hooray for Birthdays Paper Pumpkin Kit. This month's spot is Timid Tiger. Here's our stamp set, which we'll look at in just a moment. Okay, this month's colors are Basic Black, Darling Duckling, Hydrangea Hue, Melon Mambo, Old Olive, and Timid Tiger. And here's our stamp set. Ooh, love this. Some nice sentiments and flowers to put together. Here's a photo of the contents of the kit so you can make sure you have everything. And suggested ways to put them together. These are awfully cute. And pictorial instructions. I have tear and tape. And more adhesives. We have mini dimensionals and glue dots. Ooh, look at this. Okay, so these are card bases. And there's a score line in the middle. Love this color. And these colors are just gorgeous. And our envelopes this month. So we have a white embossed half an arch on 3 of them, an oval, and a hexagon. And then, matching shapes for what's on the envelopes. And another card base. And there's an extra score line here besides the one in the middle on this one. And we have banners. So there's 6 of this one. Oh, actually, I think they're all the same. Just double check. Yep, they are all the same. So we have 19 of them. And we have, these are stickers. Is it 1 sheet or 2 sheets? I think it's just 1, with large words and little flowers. And our die cuts. But these are pretty flowers. Loads of pretty flowers. I just love these colors. One of the things that I like to do when I first get a kit is open up any adhesives that are in a bag, because I want the bag. And then I can punch out all of my die cuts and store them in the bag so they're ready to go when I want to craft. Be on the lookout for my alternatives. Thanks for watching. Bye.